I was shocked to see that a battery application could provide as much power as a gas-powered generator. Multiple units plugged in at one time.
We've been using the roll-on to power charge lifts, grinders, basically any needs we have on the job.
Setup time, it's immediate. Turn it on, you're ready to go.
It eliminates the need to have to get the general contractor to provide power to plug into and to run those extension cords. Or in the scenario where you run an extension cord maybe 200 or 300 foot and you have one cord that's bad. You have to find which one it is, swap it out. Time is money. With using a gas generator, you have preventative maintenance, 100-hour services with the power supply, keep it charged, and there's no downtime.
We don't have any stinky fumes. We don't have to worry about the fuel spilling.
It's right next to you. GFI's there if there's any issues, reset, and you're back to work.
When we're out on a job site like we are today, there's no power and we can charge batteries. So we can charge it if we're on the way to a job every morning, or we can charge at the job, and it's just been a tremendous advantage to our work.
Having the red lithium battery built in, you just plug it in, charge it, and then use it with whatever application you need.
Power comes at a real high price when all the trades start finishing a building and they're fighting over outlets. If you can have something like this to get you through your 8-hour day, it's a game changer.